Welcome to a new era in United States-Africa relations, where trade replaces aid. Africa is emerging as a key player in global trade, reshaping its future and the global power balance. This shift is crucial for Africa's development, offering opportunities for prosperity and self-determination. In Washington, D.C., a historic summit marked a pivotal shift in United States-Africa relations. President Trump and West African leaders moved from aid to trade, focusing on shared prosperity. This meeting emphasized Africa's natural resources and mutual business partnerships, aiming to balance global power and counter China's influence. African leaders presented bold proposals, signaling readiness for a new partnership. Africa's natural wealth, from manganese to rare earths, is pivotal in redefining United States-Africa relations. We're moving from a donor-recipient model to business partnerships, emphasizing mutual benefit. This shift promises economic growth and collaboration, leveraging Africa's resources for shared prosperity and a balanced global power dynamic. The closure of United States Agency for International Development marks a decisive policy shift, introducing the new United States-Africa Blueprint policy. This focuses on prosperity and power through trade and investment, moving away from aid-driven partnerships. This shift aims to deepen relationships, counter Chinese influence, and unlock economic growth, emphasizing mutual benefit and collaboration over traditional aid models. The United States International Development Finance Corporation is pivotal in strategic projects, like Gabon's Banio potash mine. This investment-led approach boosts local fertilizer production, enhancing food security. Such initiatives exemplify the shift from aid to trade, showcasing tangible impacts. African leaders are now presenting bold proposals, signaling a new era of partnership and opportunity. African leaders are taking bold steps in Washington. Gabon bans raw manganese exports to boost local processing. Liberia seeks United States expertise to map mineral wealth, while Senegal highlights its tourism potential. These initiatives signal Africa's readiness for partnerships focused on value addition and self-determination, offering new opportunities for citizens and investors. Africa is embracing a new partnership vision, focusing on value addition and self-determination. This shift opens opportunities for citizens and investors, moving beyond aid to trade. By leveraging its resources and strategic location, Africa is poised to redefine its role in global markets, fostering growth and innovation across the continent. United States-China competition in Africa is intensifying. China dominates trade with 52 out of 54 African countries investing heavily in infrastructure. The United States aims to counter this by offering a values-based alternative, focusing on private sector investment and strategic projects. This competition could redefine Africa's role in global trade, offering new opportunities for growth and development. Africa's transformation is a compelling narrative of business and social opportunity. The shift from aid to trade opens new markets and resources, driven by a young, dynamic population. This change positions Africa as a key player in global trade, fostering mutual benefits and sustainable growth for both Africa and its international partners. African entrepreneurs are seizing opportunities to move up the value chain in mineral processing and tech innovation. With strategic investments in education and infrastructure, Africa's young population could unlock a demographic dividend, fostering skilled jobs and economic empowerment. This shift from aid to trade is a catalyst for sustainable growth and prosperity. The closure of United States Agency for International Development and the July 2025 summit mark a turning point. Africa's leaders are now shaping their own destinies, signaling a shift from aid dependency to recognizing Africa's potential. This United States pivot highlights Africa's strengths, emphasizing trade and investment over aid, and sets the stage for sustainable partnerships and equal global standing. Strategic vision and local capacity building are essential for Africa's sustainable progress. Treating Africa as an equal partner is crucial, fostering partnerships that are mutually beneficial. This approach empowers African nations to leverage their strengths, ensuring long-term growth and prosperity. The focus is on building local capabilities, enhancing self-reliance, and creating opportunities for both citizens and investors. The ongoing evolution of United States-Africa engagement highlights a shift from aid to trade, promising lasting prosperity through investment. This new era emphasizes mutual benefit, leveraging Africa's vast resources and strategic partnerships. Navigating these partnerships effectively is crucial for both continents, offering a competitive alternative to growing Chinese influence and unlocking economic growth. Stay informed and engaged with Africa's transformation. Share your thoughts and continue the conversation. Explore further reading and reports to deepen your understanding of Africa's evolving role in global trade and investment. This is a pivotal moment, and your insights can contribute to shaping a prosperous future for Africa and its partners. Africa's journey towards a brighter future is underway. By highlighting Africa's progress, we invite you to join future discussions. Together, we can shape a prosperous and equitable future for Africa and the world.